This is Jeff Zamek. Welcome to the Glaze Kiln Clay Body Defects blog. Today I wanted to talk to you about blisters, specifically flame impingement blisters. And before I get to that, I just wanted to mention blisters are the most prevalent of defects, having many causes. There's probably over 20 different kind of causes for blistering. So it's important when you encounter blisters in your own work for your own glazes that you track down the possible cause of that and not try to correct a blister defect which you have not diagnosed correctly. Okay, flame impingement blisters happen when the glaze and the clay body come in direct or near contact with the heat source, whether it's through a gas burner or through elements in an electric kiln. And primarily what you're looking at here is one side of the pot is blistered and the other side of the pot is not blistered, or the pots with the same clay body and glaze in other parts of the kiln come out perfectly fine. So that's just one indication of flame impingement blistering. Here is an example, and I've outlined it with the magic marker, of the blisters that we're talking about. And as I turn the pot around, you can see that the other side is free of blistering on its surface. So that's glaze blistering from flame impingement. And I'll be posting a still image of that blister online so you can get a good close-up view of it. The other type of blistering occurs, or the other type of flame impingement occurs on the exposed clay body. And that could be causing cracking in the clay where the flame or the element is coming close to it, or a dense discolored or warping or excessive shrinkage. And all of those possibilities occur when the pot is placed too close to a heat source. For loading your own kiln, I would recommend that you note where the pots are placed in your kiln, whether it's electric fired or gas fired, and then also after the firing, note where the pots are placed. And you can track down a blistered glaze, a flame impingement blistered glaze, when you're unloading the kiln if you see it's close, very close to the heat source in the kiln itself. Unfortunately, there are no corrections or fixing pots once they've blistered from flame impingement, because essentially you've over-fired the glaze and or the clay body in that specific area. Thank you.